welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing very good, and this is a very awesome day for me because that is my another video which is I'm going to shoot today. So yeah, best of luck to me. Before we start the video, one thing I want to tell you, all of you who is clicked my video to watch this, if you expected something like that, you will got something learning activity or something knowledgeable content, so please make me clear, you will not going to expect something like that, because I here open my camera and I am sitting with my mic with a good look. I actually don't know what specifically I am going to say today, so let's get started. So today's topic is that how badly I can speak in English. English, literally English. Because I think I'm not a good in English, but however I can speak, which is I want to show you that how much badly and with a full mistake I can speak. So let's start. So I want to tell you a little bit about my education background. So I completed my education from a Hindi medium school, and which is rare at that time because everyone used to send their child to sarkari school, but my father and my parents didn't do. So I went to Hindi medium school where all the scenario was completely unexpected. You guys very well know about these Hindi medium school where you can't even expect that you can have a passion to speak in English. I study at the school where English is so far. People never speak in Hindi oftenly. I remember when I see student with this student group and teacher with this teacher group speak Chhattisgarhi only. Not even they use Hindi language also. Hindi language used whenever a student needs to talk a teacher or a student needs to talk a students, then only, because they have to continue a professional behavior like that. And let me tell you, teachers with the principal ma'am, they also don't talk in Hindi, they talk in Chhattisgarhi itself. So how can you expect that you will learn English, such a language? I remember there was a teacher who was English teacher and who want to teach English to students, who wants to speak in English with the students, with the teachers, with the faculties. He also even feels shame because he don't have the validation that you can do it and you are doing very good for the students' development and learning. He feels shameful on himself because one and only he wants to speak in English and he tried, but he was not validated. So that was the condition of my Hindi medium school, and I study English to think like this is a subject, not a language, just like social science and Sanskrit, maths. But now I realize these language which we are learning except of English, which never ever useful till now. I study maths. You know, I thought that I was so bad in maths. I am not able to solve this. But today I realize what stupid things I used to study in a school time. But even that I had focus to study in English. See how much progress I can be in my present time, and it will be good for my future also. So that's happened with me, and I think it's happened with a lots of students, which was my generation and this generation too. If we talk about basics Hindi medium, then after I went to college where people study in Hindi itself, and day by day I increase my interest to speak in English because there is no because interest something which you can't say I have interest because of this, because of that. You can't do this. You have interest because you have interest. And I had interest at that time, and I start consuming content like which developed my English speaking skills at that time. But I don't know how the English professor of my college had impressed by me, and he makes me the volunteer of English speaking cell. But my luck, it's so badly, I just became the volunteer of the cell, and after some days the lockdown has started and nobody come to college for study. I had so happy at that time, but my all expectations has no more after started lockdown. When the lockdown has started, all are spending time at our home itself. We just eat food, using phone, consume some content, and sleeping at the whole day. So that happens with me also, but I quite utilize my time to improve my English speaking. I used to connect with people who are native speaker from other country, and that's anyhow I try to speak, and literally I want to say that is so easy. I can tell you that is something which is not difficult even. You know, if you want to learn, if you want to improve something, two things is matter: your passion and your craziness. If you have to do something with full of ambitions and full of discipline and like quite a lot of hard work and something very bigger you want to achieve, we can say that's your passion. But if you want to do something like very crazy and with so much of fun, so much of like madness, I would say learning a language which is completely full of fun. Don't take it burden, literally. That is so funny, that is so fun. And you know, that is something which increase your confidence also. Say that one of my favorite influencer, she is actually good in English. And she says, you say that you don't know English, we don't have background, so we can't speak. Literally, you don't have a background. You are now in the time of internet. You have a phone, you have everything now. So you can learn even not only like just a language, you can learn about anything, but you're just making excuse. By the end of the video, I want to say that how badly I can speak in English, because I wanted to make the video more interesting, but I think that's not done by me. Yeah, I can say that I am not a good English speaker, but it's okay. I think that is a sufficient, and that's not mean that I am not learning for more. I need to improve. You know, it's very difficult to speak in the front of like a camera or like a front of anyone who is speaking in English, but try, one and only try. And so by the end of the video, I want to say this is how I can speak very badly in English. Badly for why? Because I don't think so that I am a good speaker. Sometimes I lack in the situation, sometimes I don't pronounce the words properly, and sometimes I can't find the words which is accurate my expression at that time. It happens oftenly with lots of people. And one more thing I want to say at last. I'm learning English from last 5 years, and I can say day by day I am improving myself. Day by day I adopt a new word, new kind of sentence and new things. So the learning of a language, learning of an English language will never end. So, and one quote I want to say that if the language is something like that is English, which it's not our native language, especially us from India, so don't think that one day your learning will be complete and you will start speaking at that time. That's never work. Your learning will always incomplete in the case of language. You will think one day I will got the confidence of speaking any one of language, whatever you want to learn. You will think like you will got the confidence and you can speak, and you try to speak. You will speak well, but that day you will got that word or that sentence or that scenario I never learned. So that's how I'm saying you that your learning will always incomplete in the case of language. So thank you so much to watch my video till the end. I think that video will quite of interesting. I tried to make interesting video, and I think my expressions is not even good in this video also. You guys are so lovely who watch my video, who have so patience to listen my bakwas and rubbish things. Okay, we will meet at the next time to the next video. I irritate with this fly and with lots of bakwas. Okay, bye bye, take care. And मम्मी, चूड़ियां क्यों बजा रही हो? उधर जाओ. Where I was यार?